Side hustles can be a game changer for teenagers, helping you make extra money while building valuable skill sets. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 side hustles for teenagers, starting with ones that you can earn $20 a day and ending with a side hustle that anybody can do and has the highest earning potential of anything we talk about on this list. So without further ado, let's jump into the first side hustle. The first side hustle we'll be talking about today is school vending machines. This is a side hustle that's both simple and profitable. It's basically where you're selling snacks or candy at school. This is like creating your own mini vending machine, but without any machinery. My 13-year-old neighbor discovered this hustle by accident. He brought some candy to school and classmates started offering him money to buy it. Eventually, he saw this as a business opportunity, buying bulk candy and selling it for 3 to 5 times the cost. The trick here is offering convenience and exclusivity by selling treats that aren't available in vending machines or at the school cafeteria. You can start this hustle with just $20 to $50 for your initial surplus of inventory, which is low risk and very easy to scale, especially if your school allows this. This side hustle teaches you about demand, profit margins, and even marketing. Worst case scenario, you end up with some extra treats for yourself. The second side hustle we'll be talking about is distributing flyers. Distributing flyers is a straightforward and easy side hustle, often paying between $20 to $50 an hour. All you need is a willingness to walk and a stack of flyers. This side hustle is perfect, as you can easily cover neighborhoods on foot or on your bike. To find clients for this, target local businesses that rely on neighborhood visibility, like landscapers, plumbers, or home improvement services. If you want to stand out and land jobs quickly, draft a professional email introducing yourself along with your availability. A friend of mine hired several teens to distribute flyers for his curb painting business, paying them about $20 an hour, which became steady work. Plus, it's flexible. You can listen to music or a podcast while you work, making it enjoyable and rewarding. The third side hustle we'll be talking about is curb painting. Curb painting is a unique and profitable side hustle. For about $50, you can get started with paint, stencils, and brushes. You'll paint house numbers on curbs to make it easier for visitors and emergency services to locate homes. You could start by charging $20 to $25 per curb, and as you gain experience, you can add options like reflective materials for high rates. This hustle builds confidence, and even interaction with a new customer helps you practice your sales skills. A friend of mine started this business and quickly found that homeowners were willing to pay for the convenience and safety benefits of visible home numbers. If you live in a neighborhood where this isn't common, you could be the first to introduce it, turning this into a profitable side hustle with room for growth. This job is great for earning cash and gaining people skills that will help you in any future business. The fourth side hustle we'll be talking about is YouTube Shorts editing. With short form content booming, learning to edit videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels can be incredibly profitable. Creators often lack the time or skills to edit, which means that they are in demand for people who can make high quality short videos. Spend a month practicing and you could start with low paying clients and work your way up to earning between $5K to over $10K a month once you're established. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram even have revenue sharing programs, so many creators will gladly pay editors a share of those earnings. My editor, for example, makes thousands per month by reaching millions of viewers across multiple different platforms. Start by learning software like Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and others. Once you're comfortable, reach out to creators who need help editing. This hustle not only helps you make money, but it also builds a skill that could lead to bigger opportunities. The fifth side hustle we'll be talking about is photography for school events. If you love photography, turning it into a side hustle for school events is an excellent idea. School events like dances, graduations, or sports games often require a photographer, and students are happy to pay for quality photos. A decent starter camera will cost between $300 to $500, but you could also start with a smartphone offering color-corrected or edited images to increase the value. You can charge up to $200 per session based on the event's duration and number of photos that you take. Plus, building a portfolio now could help you create a long-term side business as your reputation and experience grows. It's a fantastic skill with the potential for significant earnings. The sixth side hustle we'll be talking about is landscaping. Landscaping is one of the easiest ways that teens can earn extra money on the side and actually get steady income, especially during the summer months. Services like mowing lawns, trimming bushes, or mulching and general yard maintenance are constantly in demand. You can start even if you don't have equipment, as many neighbors will let you use theirs in exchange for affordable yard services. You can earn $20 to $40 per job, and it typically takes about an hour to complete. Imagine you have 3 people whose lawns you mow twice a week for $20 per session. That's $120 per week, which can add up quickly. If you're interested in scaling up, consider setting up a simple website to attract more local clients. A site also lets people find you online and schedule services, adding professionalism to your business. For affordable hosting options to get your website up and running, I'd highly recommend checking out Hostinger, as it's what we personally use on a day-to-day basis for our own websites. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to establish your online presence. To get started with Hostinger and get an amazing deal in the process, make sure you use the link down in the description of this video. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here, and as you can see, they're currently running a Black Friday deal where you'll get up to 79% off web hosting. Not only that, but you'll also get 24/7 customer support, a free domain, and free website migration. All of this for only $2.49 a month, plus 3 months extra free on top of that. And to get an even better discount, make sure to put in the code MyFirstWebsite at checkout, all capitals, no spaces, for an even better deal. The seventh side hustle we'll be talking about is pet sitting or dog walking. If you're an animal lover, pet sitting and dog walking are fantastic options. They're flexible, enjoyable, and typically pay between $15 to $30 per day for pet sitting or similar rates for dog walking. If you're experienced, you can even handle multiple dogs at once to boost your overall earnings. Start by offering your services to friends, families, and neighbors, then expand by advertising locally on pet sitting apps like Rover. This side hustle is not only enjoyable for animal lovers, but it also offers a steady stream of income that pet owners love, knowing their animals are in good hands. And this job lets you make money doing something you enjoy. It's really a win-win, providing both earnings and an experience in customer service. The eighth side hustle is virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is an ideal side hustle for organized and tech-savvy teens. VAs assist with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media and data entry, making it a versatile position. Starting rates are around $10 to $15 an hour, and the best part is that most of the time it's going to be remote work, allowing you to work from anywhere. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great for finding clients, and you can specialize in helping small businesses or influencers who need assistance managing their online presence. This hustle teaches essential skills in time management, organization, and communication, which are valuable in any career. Not only is it flexible, but it also lets you build a skill set that will open up more opportunities in the future, whether you want to focus on social media or general admin. Being a virtual assistant is an excellent choice for gaining experience and steady earnings. The ninth side hustle is tutoring. If you excel in a subject, tutoring can be a profitable and rewarding side hustle. You can earn $15 to $40 an hour, making one of the highest paying options on this list. Many parents are willing to pay for extra help to give their children an academic advantage, especially in subjects like math, science, and languages. Begin by offering your services to classmates or younger students in your community, and then expand by advertising on social media or through word of mouth. Tutoring is highly flexible, allowing you to choose your hours and set your rates. It's also incredibly fulfilling to help others while reinforcing your own knowledge in a subject. The communication and teaching skills you develop are going to be beneficial for any future job or academic pursuit that you pursue, making this just a great choice if you're passionate about learning. And the 10th side hustle is the highest earning side hustle on this list, and that's creating YouTube videos just like the one you're watching right now. These types of videos can earn tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars if you know what you're doing. If you know how to write scripts, have good editing skills, and you have a good camera presence, you can start making amazing videos that get tons of views that end up actually earning you money. This is through something called Google AdSense, where you basically can earn money through YouTube's AdSense program every time somebody watches your video. And once you actually get started with your YouTube channel and start earning money, it's going to be important to get your business formation set up. Setting up an LLC or an S Corp can make your YouTube channel official and opening doors to tax advantages and other benefits as you grow it. Tailor Brands offers probably one of the best and most affordable ways to start your LLC for your YouTube channel or your S Corp. And again, it's easier than ever to get started with them. Simply use the link down in the description below, which should take you to a page that looks like this. When you're on this page, the first thing you'll want to do is choose your LLC state and then hit the Get Started button. It'll then take you through a guided setup that'll walk you through specific questions about your business where you can get started with Tailor Brands and get an amazing deal in the process. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.